matrimony. But I cheated on you, so I feel just like a phony. Now, girl, you see, from the day that we did marry, I was sleeping with you, but I was making love to Drew Carey.
Let me tell you, ever since I was 13, you've given me the best loving that I've ever seen. Let me tell you something that I know you can't stand. I've been cheating on you with my other hand.
Yes, I've cheated on you. I've had women by the score. At last count, it was over 84. I don't care that you're mad or your pride is bent, 'cause I've just been pardoned by the ex-president.
I cheated on my wife with her sister and her mother. I also slept with her cousin and her brother. Boy, when she heard, boy, did it sting her. The good news is next week we're on Jerry Springer.